Anyone who wears glasses is familiar with this issue. In winter, when you move from cold outdoor air into a warm room, your lenses immediately fog up, making it difficult to see anything. This can also be dangerous in many situations. Cold glasses exposed to warm, humid air cause water vapor to condense on their surface, a problem triggered by sudden temperature changes. There are many anti-fog products available on the market, but they're often quite expensive. Moreover, we don't always have them on hand when we need them the most. Here's a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent your glasses from fogging up, using items you already have at home. Apply 1 drop of glycerin to each lens, both on the inside and outside. Then polish the lenses with a clean cloth. If you don't have glycerin at home, shaving foam will work as well. Apply it directly to your glasses and thoroughly rub the product into the lenses. Shaving foam reduces surface tension, effectively preventing water vapor from condensing on your glasses. This simple trick will keep your glasses fog-free, no matter how large the temperature difference is. I put my sweaters out on the balcony, and my neighbor thought I had lost my mind. In reality, it is a simple trick to refresh wool. As soon as there is snow and freezing temperatures, I take out my wool sweaters and do what is called snow washing. I lay them flat on the balcony, which is covered with snow. I use this method for merino wool, cashmere, and regular wool garments. Then I sprinkle them with a thin layer of fresh snow. This method comes from a time when washing machines were not common. It answers the question of how to wash wool clothes without them shrinking. The snow should cover the entire surface of the garments. I leave them there for at least 1 hour. After that, I shake off the snow. The freezing temperature refreshes the wool and removes bacteria. This way, wool can be refreshed without damaging it or risking shrinkage. Bad odors disappear, and the fibers of the sweater become fluffy again. Then I lay the clothes flat on a drying rack, far away from the heater. Wool garments should not be dried at high temperatures because they can shrink. It is important that they lie flat, as this protects them from stretching and losing their shape. Wool clothing should not be washed often, which is why I use this grandmother's method whenever snow appears on my balcony. Not many people know this trick for washing a comforter, and it's a shame because it really makes life easier. Washing a comforter can be one of the most challenging household chores. Its large size often makes it difficult to clean thoroughly, but there's a simple trick that helps, and it involves an unusual item. Lay it flat on the floor, fold it in half lengthwise, and then roll it up like a fan. This way, it will easily fit into the drum. Comforters are best washed about once every 6 months in warm water, around 81 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, using a gentle or comforter cycle with an appropriate spin speed. To boost cleaning power and remove dirt and germs, toss a regular shopping bag into the drum. It can be any lightweight plastic bag, even one from your groceries. While it may sound odd, it helps the detergent foam up more, allowing the suds to reach every corner of the comforter. The result is fabric that's more thoroughly rinsed, fresher, and free of unpleasant odors, leaving your comforter perfectly clean and soft to the touch. Stop hanging wet clothes the usual way. There's a smarter method that saves space and time. Most people hang shirts lengthwise over the metal bars of the drying rack, which means you can only fit about 5 shirts per wing, but here's the trick. That same space can hold twice as many if you hang them differently. Grab each shirt by the bottom hem and clip it sideways across the width of the rack, not along the bars. Hang the next shirt right next to it, the same way. This way, clothes don't overlap so they dry faster and more evenly. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts on one wing. It's not just space-saving. Better air circulation means quicker drying. And here's a bonus. Shirts hung by the hem tend to straighten under their own weight, which makes ironing easier or even unnecessary. A simple change, but it makes a big difference. Never hang wet clothes the usual way. Wrap your foot in aluminum foil, then slip a sock over it to create a warm, snug layer. Do the exact same thing for your other foot. This setup is perfect for chilly walks. The aluminum foil traps the heat, even in low temperatures. Your feet will never get cold again. This is how I lowered my bills in winter. Stick double-sided tape to the frame. Then, remove the protective layer and attach the bubble wrap over the entire surface. The bubble wrap acts as an extra layer of insulation, trapping heat inside and protecting against the cold from outside. Not only will you take care of your bills, but you'll also improve the insulation in your home. This foam will help you get rid of mold on your windows. In winter, condensation on the glass is a warning sign. Ignoring it can lead to mold quickly developing on the frames and seals. You need to act immediately because mold spreads rapidly, and larger amounts are harder to remove. Moisture, fogged windows, and warm rooms create ideal conditions for its growth, posing serious health risks. You can effectively remove mold from windows without using chemical store-bought products. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar and water in a 1-to-1 ratio. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with water to create a foam-like consistency. Apply the foam to the seals and mold-covered areas, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. Next, spray the entire window with the vinegar-water solution and leave it for 15 minutes. Finally, use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean. Vinegar combined with baking soda works effectively on mold, doesn't cause allergies, and its smell disappears quickly. Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. Cover your windows with plastic wrap. This simple trick gives it a whole new purpose in your home. While it's commonly used for food storage, plastic wrap can also serve other functions. Take a roll of plastic wrap and spread it across the entire surface of the window pane from the inside. Make sure the wrap is evenly stretched to avoid wrinkles and maintain a neat appearance. Secure the edges of the wrap with adhesive tape. Start at the top edge of the window, carefully taping it to the frame, then move to the bottom and sides. The wrap should be taut, but be careful not to overstretch and damage it. This setup has several benefits. It creates an additional insulating layer on the glass, reducing heat loss from your home. Windows are one of the primary areas where heat escapes during winter, and the wrap helps block the flow of cold air. This can also prevent unsightly condensation and moisture, which often lead to mold growth. Once installed, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. It's a clever way to repurpose something you already have at home for a completely new use.